Facility Innovate is a sister company of the Facility, born from our innovative R&D projects. The devices we develop convert the mechanical movement associated with footsteps or transport vibrations into electricity. Our energy harvesting initiatives have arisen from years of experience in environmental architecture. We are applying and testing our ideas practically within a building project within the next year, including a sprung floor fitted with heel strike generations to harvest the energy from people walking across it. This power output will then be wired back to provide the lighting within that building. In future, the 34,000 commuters who pass through Victoria Underground Station at rush hour, for example, could theoretically generate enough energy to power 6,500 LED light fittings, energy that today is disappearing into the ground. The possibilities of this new sustainable energy source need not stop there, as vibrations are created everywhere. Railway stations, airports, roads, public thoroughfares and the vehicles themselves. By 2019, the market is predicted to have grown to over £6 billion, covering consumer goods, industrial, military and healthcare applications. For further information or to contact us, please visit our website.